Hello and welcome back. This is video number 6, and this is going to be about CPA networks that buy your traffic. So this is a little bit different from a smart link, but there are many different other ways to generate money. And one of them is that some CPA networks will actually buy your push notification traffic. Now, what do I mean by that? What is a push notification? Push notifications are simply little boxes that show up at either corner of your browser. So let's say, for example, that you sign up for push notifications via Facebook or YouTube. Whenever somebody comments on your content, what will happen is that push notification will appear at the top right hand, sometimes top left hand, and it'll say something like, so-and-so commented on your post. Those are what we call push notifications. Now, why is that important? Well, some advertisers will actually pay you money to generate push notification subscribers. So in other words, whenever somebody, let's say you generate leads and somebody goes to a page and they like what they see and they click, yes, I would like to receive push notifications from this advertiser. So what you're essentially doing is you are building their subscriber list. So very similar to an email list, but in this case, it's a push notification list. So when they build that subscriber list, they can essentially promote anything. All right, so we talked about Facebook. We talked about what it looked like, and let's move on to the main point. So some CPA networks will have advertisers who are looking to build massive lists of these push notification subscribers. Now, all you have to do in this case is to drive traffic, get people to subscribe, and you get paid anywhere from like 4 to 6 cents. Now, while that may not seem like a lot, generating push notifications is actually very easy. So you could spend $50 and very easily get like $60 worth of push notifications. Now, some of you who are not very familiar with paid traffic might think, what? Why would I want to invest like $50 and get $60, right? I want to invest $50 and get $100. You could potentially do that after you optimize the campaign. But initially, sometimes, and most of the times, you will spend $50 and maybe get $30 back. And as you begin to optimize your campaign, you can sometimes break even and then increase from there. But that's the reality of paid traffic. So like I said, it's not much, but it can add up quick. And you can use any cheap traffic. Pop unders are really good. Popads.com or even Popcash is really good as well. In fact, we're going to be using popads.com. All right. So now that you have a general idea of that, let's move on to video number 7 and talk about traffic sources.